Good day to all. Now we see about the divide and conquer algorithm in fundamentals of computer algorithm. So the divide and conquer algorithm plays a major role in the fundamental of computer algorithm. So the divide and conquer algorithm is using to solving the problem strategies to involving the breaking down a complex problem into smaller. So the very big problem is subdivided into manageable parts and solving the each part individually, and finally the combining the parts, and finally we getting the solution. So the large problem will be subdivided into small units, and the small units problems will be rectifying after that, and combining the all the small units, and we get the conquer method. It means that is called the divide. First you have to divide it, and conquer means finally you have to joining or merging the all the small particles. So that is called the divide and conquer algorithm. So this divide and conquer algorithm is applicable in the merge sort algorithm. So the merge sort means already you study about the merge sort. So merge sort means is so many numbers are there, have to find out the smallest number to biggest number, and you have to assemble the numbers is like smallest to biggest, and finally you merge the numbers. So in this image four numbers are there: 38, 27, 43 and 10. So you have to divide it into divided algorithm. So divided 38, 27 and 43, 10, and again you using the divide algorithm is a 38, 27, and identifying the which one is the smallest number. So 27, so it's put in the front, and 38 is the largest number. So the same process will be happened in the 43, and the 10 number, is the smallest number, so it's put it in the front. So finally to be assembled the smallest to largest algorithm, largest numbers. So that is the divide and conquer algorithm. So what is the divide and conquer algorithm means? It's a problem solving technique. So the larger problems will be subdivided into sub problems, and solving the sub problems independently, and comparing the solutions of these those sub problems to get the solutions of the larger problem. So the concept is that every problem have the solutions. So we have to find out the which solution is suitable for the particular problem. So easily find out the solution for the particular problem, and the solutions will be applied in the problem and rectifying the problem, and finally combine the solutions. So automatically it's given the divided and conquer method. So this is called the divide and conquer algorithm. So stages of the divide and conquer algorithm. So the first one is the divide, conquer, merge. So the first one is a divide. So break down the original problem into smaller subunits. So each sub problems is represented the overall problems. So first we are goal is to be identifying the problem, and so before that you have to divide it and identifying the problem. So next one is a conquer. So conquer means is a solve the problems individually. So in the divide problems, divide manner, you have to divide it in the smaller sub problems, and you have to checking what are the problem and what the solutions we needed. So the conquer method will be given the solution, and the problems will be solved. So that is the conquer method. And the next one is a merge. So after the final solution, the problem will be considerable, and the problem will be solved after the combine the sub problems. So if you just imagine first the one problem, big problem is have, and we are subdivided in the small problems, and the small units will be solutions identified, and the problem will be solved. And now the small units are the is very easily joined and combine the subproblems, and that is called the merge. So finally the goal is to formulate a solution for the original problem by merging the results from the subproblems. So finally we are adding the subproblems and we are adding the divided things, and easily finally you have to merging the problem. And applications of the divide and conquer algorithm. So the first one is the merge sort, second one is the median finding, and third one is the minimum and maximum finding. So for first one is the merge sort. So merge sort means is a already I said the divide and conquer sorting algorithm. The example is a merge sort. So easily merge means is joining. So joining means before we have to break down the smaller subunits, and the big problem data will be subdivided or breaking in the smaller subunits, and finally it's merging. That is called the merge finding. And the median finding means is numbers using the divide and conquer algorithm, because the smaller and very biggest numbers are there, the lines of numbers are there, you have to divide it within the use of the median finding. So I said the examples, the four numbers are there, we are finding the which one is a median, so we are divided into two parts. So that's the median finding is useful to find out which the median place, and easily divided the approach of the divided and conquer. And the minimum and maximum finding means the divided and conquer algorithm can be used to find the both the minimum and maximum elements in the array so simultaneously. So the maximum and minimum numbers is useful to identifying which one is the maximum and which one is the minimum is easy to find out the after final stage, the merging stage, easily find out from the smaller to biggest number. So that is the maximum and minimum finding. So this is the divided and conquer method algorithm in the fundamentals of computer science. Thank you.